Welcome to your channel, Profit Path, where we break down the biggest financial challenges and give you real, actionable strategies to protect your money. Today, we're diving into a hidden crisis affecting millions of Americans, rising insurance rates, and the unexpected reasons behind them. If you've noticed your premiums going up, you're not alone, and what's causing it might shock you. But don't worry, I'm not just here to talk about the problem. I'll show you how to fight back and make smarter financial moves. So stay with me until the end, and let's uncover the truth behind soaring insurance costs. Part 1. The unseen forces driving your premiums up. Imagine opening your insurance bill and finding it higher than ever. You might blame inflation or natural disasters. But there's a hidden culprit many overlook: rising litigation costs. These legal expenses are silently inflating your premiums. Over the past decade, the average personal injury verdict has skyrocketed from around $39,300 in 2010 to over $125,300 in 2020, a staggering 319% increase. These soaring legal costs don't just affect corporations, they trickle down, impacting everyday consumers like you. It's crucial to understand this hidden factor. Only then can we explore solutions to mitigate its impact on our wallets. Part 2. The ripple effect of legal system abuse. Legal system abuse doesn't just burden the courts. It has a cascading effect on the economy and your daily life. The American Property Casualty Insurance Association highlights a significant impact. They estimate that unnecessary litigation adds over $1,400 annually to the average American household's expenses. This tort tax isn't just a number. It represents higher costs for essentials like groceries and gas. When companies face hefty legal fees, they often pass those costs to consumers. This means you're paying more across the board. Recognizing this ripple effect is the first step. It's essential to understand how pervasive and costly legal system abuse can be. Part 3. Real-world examples of rising legal costs. Let's delve into tangible examples to grasp the magnitude of this issue. Consider the trucking industry, vital to our supply chain. Between 2017 and 2018, the average size of verdicts against trucking companies grew by 483%. This surge has led to increased insurance premiums for truckers. These rising costs don't just affect trucking companies, they contribute to higher prices for goods transported across the country. Similarly, in the property insurance sector, escalating legal costs have led to higher premiums. Some consumers are even seeing their coverage reduced or canceled. These examples illustrate a broader trend. Rising legal costs are impacting various sectors, ultimately affecting consumers. Part 4. Strategies to mitigate rising insurance costs. Facing these challenges, what can consumers do to protect themselves? Start by shopping around for insurance policies. Compare quotes from multiple providers to ensure you're getting the best rate. Don't settle for the first offer you receive. Consider bundling your policies. Many insurers offer discounts when you combine home and auto insurance. Maintain a good credit score. Insurers often use credit information to determine premiums. Finally, stay informed about tort reform initiatives in your state. Supporting measures that aim to reduce frivolous lawsuits can help curb rising premiums. Part 5. The role of tort reform in controlling premiums. Tort reform refers to changes in the civil justice system. Its goal is to reduce litigation or damages. Proponents argue that tort reform can help control rising insurance premiums by limiting excessive lawsuits and large verdicts. For instance, some states have implemented caps on non-economic damages. This limits the amount plaintiffs can receive for pain and suffering. However, tort reform is a contentious issue. Critics argue it can limit justice for those genuinely harmed. It's essential to balance reducing frivolous lawsuits while ensuring legitimate claims receive fair compensation. Part 6. Encouraging community engagement and awareness. Understanding these issues is the first step toward meaningful change, but individual action is equally important. Engage in community discussions about insurance and legal system abuse. Share your experiences and listen to others. Advocate for transparency from insurance companies. Consumers deserve to know how their premiums are determined. Support local and national efforts aimed at legal system reform. Your voice can contribute to policies that balance fairness and affordability. By staying informed and involved, we can work together to address the root causes of rising insurance premiums. Conclusion: taking control of your financial future. Rising insurance premiums are a complex issue, but understanding the hidden factors empowers you to take action. By staying informed, advocating for reform, and making strategic choices, you can mitigate the impact on your finances. We encourage you to share your experiences with insurance and financial planning in the comments. Your insights can help others navigate these challenges. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. And check out our next video on effective financial planning strategies. Together, we can take control of our financial futures.